Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to online class. This is our science class. Children, in the last class we have studied about photosynthesis. Now let's recall once again. Okay, what is photosynthesis? Green plants prepare their own food by a process is called photosynthesis. So, green plants are called producers. Leaves are called the food factory of a plant. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants produce glucose and oxygen is released during the process of photosynthesis. Children, in this class we are going to learn about food habits of animals. Animals are living things like humans and plants. They also grow and need food to survive. They also need energy for their daily activities. This energy comes from food they eat. So, animals need food to grow, stay healthy, and to get energy for doing work. Students, as we know, plants are able to make their own food, isn't it? Yes. But animals are not. So, animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend on plants for food either directly or indirectly. So that animals are called consumers. Now tell me, what are consumers? Yes, animals are called consumers. What is the meaning of consumer? A person who purchases goods and services for personal use. Children, based on the type of food, animals are classified into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Shall I repeat once again? Yes. Animals are classified into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Okay children, first let's discuss about herbivores. Some animals like cows, horses, elephants, etc. eat only plants. These plant-eating animals are called herbivores. So what are herbivores? Plant-eating animals are called herbivores. For examples, cows, horses, elephants, etc. Very good children. Next, let's see carnivores. Some animals like the lions, tigers, snakes, etc. eat the flesh of other animals. These flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. So, what are carnivores? Flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. For examples, tigers and snakes. Next, let's see omnivores. Some animals like the cats, dogs, jackals, etc. eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. These animals are known as omnivores. Students, human beings are also omnivores as they eat both plant-based food like vegetables, fruits and nuts and animal-based food like meat, fish and eggs. So what are omnivores? Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. For examples, cat, dogs and human beings. And finally, let's see about scavengers. Some animals like vultures, cockroaches and hyenas eat remains of dead animals. So these animals are known as scavengers. So what are scavengers? Animals that eat remains of dead animals are called scavengers. For examples, vultures and cockroaches. Children, let's recall once again. Based on their food habits, animals are classified into herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. For examples, cows and horses. Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. For examples, tigers and snakes. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. For examples, dogs and human beings. Then, animals that eat remains of dead animals are called scavengers. Examples, vultures and cockroaches. Okay children, hope you have understood today's topic. Thank you children. Have a nice day.